TV so Adom TV so bedwonju wedi so dia wo kan si ho sempa isa kana no pen so ja medindi Enoch Kwasi Walanyo Wallace agudie catch back pe the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the Alregna Wallace the nation's presenter and medicine kunya ekono kwanten kode nsema do nsa kana no pen so biu e wo Ghana agudie ejaw shendo so mam senwuma kuni yemiensa 1xbet I've always told you that betting there is better than sakawa utwa no before din before utwa no kuma bi odin kuma sa no manum ka kire busuafo na fofo yere ma ofase fo nananam ukunu mo no prafo na se 1xbet and any better na no other boys ready bronya no yesa de atwa new year and afi so Ghana man to say the bye bye April so de hwema Easter bri 1xbet utwa no before bedin before no bet with money that you can afford to lose car eyere nya ya no eno ane di twa bet ushia osmosis mu na almost restra chacha no wadi 1xbet no na eboa ema niama 822 ye ediamom je fast mixture do titahwe so infections edu gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fever na so di po na chiwa on set me ka je fast edu eboa prapra wahra no mrebo ma otimi di nchiniche omodian da so sabetia ka je fast betia boa ema niama 822 ye ediamom na fe sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel edu etu ya odi ase fi pampas be pimu na se no modern down set me can sedimo gel and roll on so to be akoto anasa oto de ye hono odo wani kire ashaman me market ansa betia kam na fe so tema enye na ho kra betia from 0208219129 na one sedimo gel and roll on from pay for yenhwetwe nkomo yenhwe mwa emanema 822 infama madama woman na teach abo men no penso de o kensi un sempa en saka 8 jaw a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins the very first step pincha se MFF English Premier League matches out no so 18 pp mu Ediama the youth of Alajo say bia o me poi agudie no o betimi edi adada o mo kakra na saa eye astrotef nke ya kansinsemu bare nura nyame nchade erakata ban mu no ana Ghana mampanya kasa tu na modern nitwensa kire edi ahoma kotwa pasu ma hwesen ne mesi koso a ese kwenya beda ho edi ama Alajo astrotef nura ana mpemfo atitiw ni nimpon mu ko commission a otim sampasi se de Alajo youth on benya babia on betimi sesia kan na saa dwumedi na se no ana Ghana mampanya na dan kwa kufado wodi nkomo nso ejae.
Football is the great passion of our people. Ghanaians are not just obsessed about our domestic league and the fortunes of our national teams, but thanks to satellite television, they are also avid followers and watchers of the great leagues of Europe, Asia, and the Americas. Ayawaso Central alone has unearthed several footballing talents and geniuses in our nation, such as Anas Seidu, Mohamed Kluche, Abedi Pele, Osei Kufuor, Yao Preko, and Mohamed Kudus. We want to see more and more Abedi Peles, Osei Kufuors, and Mohamed Kudus being discovered. And that is why the development of sporting infrastructure around the country is crucial to this end. I'm delighted that under my administration, many of such sports facilities have been constructed across our nation. Since we assumed office in 2017, IPEP alone has been responsible for the construction of 68 AstroTurf pitches. 30 of them have been completed and are in use, and 38 are currently at various stages of completion. The construction of 10 5,000-seater youth and sports centers of excellence in 10 regions across the country are also ongoing, and with the one in Ho serving as the venue for this year.
Ghana mapanyina na do dan kwa Kufado nenra obura Alajo nim na hwese ne mesi koso a omo page paso di twa homam setin amaya commission Alajo astrotef ne tenra obehwa Alajo nkwala omani age omo ehye yefurumu ina omo prese ombetia bantem na omo be yusu tef no na omo ede agege omani ukuma na esa Alajo manche na ono so ginam denden pa ono so na boama project ne time kopi mo ana afen so eye ono abokro te omu nyina de omani tensa kire mu a na esa nyasem kuma etimi atodwa e wa Alajo nti Alajo and football has been resuscitated by AstroTurf and Penfa Commission. By Yenfa Ninchim Isaac the Royal Storm Dugby, Nansen Temna or Dinner Nitin Sacha America, Oklahoma, and she also on the Kobase, one abrantie ba ko efense Ramirez wo mo ede akuruba kensi ba ko 20 times so na boy bo Isaac Dugbe nya asem keto akwa ne so tete no o se as judges no mu na omoda nti o mantia account yi amfa no was about it me start to dwenem wabedu na nasem o kanya ne se nyame adom obesa bounce back Ghana for fight chitaya de man e me na no ya bufra ku obepie mu kroma no ensa fan tan chi nyame adom a wo tight de ogide pass over big bobi na waje na wakita mu so ache.
You went into the ring, you fought coach. Good job with training and camp. I was there, I saw everything. So yeah, but Isaac, you went into this fight, you know, as an aggressor. You went in, you know, throwing, you know, sometimes your opponent sat back and just attacked immediately and on your vulnerable moments. How would you describe this experience of fighting Robaisi Ramirez?
First of all, I thank God Almighty for this opportunity and also coming out of the ring safely. We both came out safely. Secondly, I would like to thank my coaches and my team, everyone that supported me. Thirdly, I would like to apologize to my coaches and to the rest of my team and the people that, you know, are out there praying for me and, you know, wishing me well. We didn't get the decision today, but we will definitely be back. We still have a lot of work to do. You know, I fell short tonight. Robaisi Ramirez is a terrific fighter. He's a great guy. I don't take nothing away from him. I mean, I guess I was the aggressor, but I guess maybe I wasn't aggressive enough. I think my coach, you know, I couldn't push as much as, you know, we all would have loved me to push, but I'll be back.
Isaac, you've come up against some very tough fighters. How would you rate Robaisi after this 12-round experience?
That's a good fighter. You can't take nothing away from him. It was just a bad night for me. However, I do disagree with the knockdown. You know, and to some extent, the scoring. But hey, nevertheless, it is what it is. We just have to. Usually, when we have a fight like this, you know, you have to take some time off. But I'm not hurt.
Nti na say Isaac the Royal Storm Dogbe and I'll tell you what nkomo 18 cent to Johnny Ramirez Cuba ni abranti akọ bezi u US obo born rough mahwa Isaac Dogbe ni ma if ya to fam so na tane ato ntimi so ana eja omo adidi nkomo kakra saa na eja wode ahye boyi nti nyame adom ebe hwese na ma besi akọ na tane lato represent multimedia cluster no kopie mu a wode sa interview so etime brain but yen san ko mu bio a na se Samuel Tachi amanfo nso be ka die po no so Olympic bronze medalist o kire ne bobere panya samketo o wie pe na call professional about 4 bows to his credit professional but Samuel Tachi no na jude so no be hwes kire me se bibia metwem a o hwe anim se Olympic games obesan ko bio to be fee professional no asan ba amateur because kwenya beda ho se boxers a o mo efi amateur de o mani kire professional no o anko kese bia na obeti asan ba back no gidi pass me na so se kwa bia so no ogi gold Ghana.
Going back to the Olympic Games, no, I bet guarantee you gold medal.
Once Michelle said, me catch you, baby say, no me call professional. So my cousin a lot of experience no should be war. And she no me sure say me call Olympics obi bet me album me division me choose to say me kono because I'm seeing say this is the time for me to bring gold in Ghana.
Oh, okay, this is the time.
This is the time.
Time na kasa
time need drew.
Now, into people who call professional ko heading, and I feel over saba back.
Oh, say professional was my decision, and me buy no, the be kono na makache me coach me national team coach coach for ya say me dream ni say me call Olympics na me nyameda me ba professional na my beda no world champion war. And to me call me free Olympics in buy na me den kan say ndie sisi de nyame ya Adom na me Adom ni team na Adom say my family den team maba ndie me je o akọ professional nti me
nti Samuel Tachi Olympic bronze medalist now ten cancel den komo 8 years as US nyame Adom obesan revert back to the Black Bombers camp now obesi ebie pono kwade mom no mo justify no san justify no mom mfa ne kwehye straight kra no be chere bobere bruta Samuel Tachi o se be class 4 mo bo ne class 4 teacher yi baba mfi school when si obiu another boxing ɛyɛ ne dwumadi a oguso edi tinyamia doma ɛwɛ sɛ na nneɛma esi ɛkɔ ɛdema dwumadi no so etim pim do you see anamada wase akyɛ opi ba hyɛ no so am say 1xbet I've always told you that betting there better than sakawa we try to be fun so abedi no befu so bet with money that you can afford to lose abusua de japade says ka akɔ agya hyɛ mpa se obetia tebiri akɔna ne fa keto akɔgye kɛse fa koguso bo nsɛmpa ono wadi bet ne mum bet di wa wani so betia wisiri wa atwene betia bom afis ko team betia hwinti ana de adwene kakra etimi ato na fe je fast mixture infections edro eboa prapro harawa no mrebo ho ema otimi gina pintin wura dimbo modern da so sabetia kabi na fe so sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel and also man sanka bi kwa shaman so jafo no ho de ba sabetia kabi afis so de wani chetem anso a on sabetia kabi betia from 0208219129 na on sedimo gel and roll on from pain for ntwetwe nkomo nhwemo a ema niama 822 infamam na me adoma fi ochina kwon de esesa nkukuri kakra e de ni akyerem elkwo ntim sɛ ya hyia elkwo na Adom Easter Games no betia ba so memeda anopa 222 na dwumedie no e ba so 10 communities no makanta madi nsie sɛ nyame adom ba beboa ama dwumedie no etia sakwe to hwɛ akyiri kwan a bia wo hu TV so ne ya na ye okwo within the Prof Wallace the act of being a good guest is to know to say goodbye.